Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at different concepts from physics and mathematics. Today we will be talking about a concept from calculus. We already started talking about even functions. So in the prior episode or in the previous episode you will be able to see it. Also, if you want to know more about functions, what they are, you can see some previous videos or previous episodes. Right now let us talk about an odd function. So when do you call a function as an odd function? If f of minus x is minus of fx for all x, for example f of x, if you consider sine x, so sine of minus x is minus sine x, so that is an odd function. Similarly x cube, so cube of minus x is minus of x cube, so again it's an odd function. Now here you will realize that there is a point symmetry. If you recall, in case of even functions, we had spoken about the functions having symmetry with respect to the y-axis. Here the symmetry is with respect to a point, namely origin. Now if you add two odd functions, then you get an odd function again. Say x plus x cube, it's going to give you an odd function. But if you take product of two odd functions, it will give you an even function. For example, x is an odd function, x cube is an odd function. If you add them again, you get a function which is an odd function. But when you multiply them, it gives you x raised to 4, which is an even function. Similarly, the difference between two odd functions will be an odd function, and division of two odd functions will again be an even function. So x raised to 5 an odd function, x raised to 3 an odd function. When you divide x raised to 5 by x raised to 3, you get x square, which is an even function. The composition of odd functions is also an odd function. Now again, interesting part is about derivatives of an odd function. So sine x, we've already seen it's an odd function, and if you take derivative of sine of x, it will give you cos of x. While if you take derivative of an odd function like x cube, it will give you 3x square, which is an even function. So derivative of an odd function is an even function. So I hope you've understood the concepts pertaining to odd function. If you want to know about even function, you can see, as I said, the previous episode where we have talked about even function and taken some examples. Thank you.